Right, another Sunday, and today I'm going to do a video on my Mirka DA and extraction system. So here it is, my Mirka DA and the extraction system. So I've had this contraption for some time now. I couldn't find many videos on this when I was looking to buy one, so I thought I'd do one myself now. So the dual action sander, so Mirka deros. Been using this for a couple of years now. It's been absolutely fantastic. It's really nice to use. It's very light. So to use the dual action sander, you switch that onto there. Obviously it shows a picture of the sander. Press that button there, it switches it on, it activates it. So as you'll see when you push that down, just like using a normal air DA, it has that as a switch. So normally there'd be like a valve there that'd open the valve on your air DA, and it'll let the air go through and activate it. But on this one, it operates a switch. And when it operates a switch to turn the DA on, also it turns on your extraction system. So you've got different speed settings on here as well. Plus for up, higher speed. And you've got the minus there down, so it'll operate at a slower speed. You can also use the extraction system on its own with a block. So when you're sanding down, it will suck all the dust away as you flatten down filler or primer. And to activate that, to empty the extraction unit, you've got a bag in there. Now you can buy these bags, the Mirka bags. They're not badly priced, to be honest. I looked at this unit and the Indasa unit. The Indasa bags are an absolute fortune, and that's one of the things that made me go for the Mirka extraction unit. So you can get pattern bags off Amazon. I think you buy them in packs of 5. They're not badly priced. They're not a lot of money at all, to be honest. I can't remember exactly how much they are. It's not often that I really need to be changing them. Some people do actually just empty them and reuse them. To be honest, for what the price of them are, I just chuck them in the bin and put a new one in. So I bought that with that. It come together as a kit, and I also got this storage box included with it. So this is just to keep the DA in, and I also keep other bits and bobs in there. Hoover attachment. There's another disc comes with it. Sorry, another pad comes with it for smaller discs. I'm on the bigger discs, I think the 150s. There's a block there, small block. Obviously I use that just with the extraction. Another block there I purchased separately. Can't remember how much that was, about 30 or 40 quid. And it's a decent long flat block that for obviously doing bigger repairs. So when I was looking to buy an extraction system, I did a load of research, and there wasn't much videos, to be honest. But what I worked out from all the research I did, looking at the videos that I could find, and from speaking to people, the Mirka one was the one to go for. It's got a lot more attachments. You can get a lot more for it. The bags are a lot cheaper. So if you're looking to get an extraction system, I would definitely be going for the Mirka one. Right, I've got quite a big job in the garage at the moment. It's a Transit Custom, and I've been doing a load of welding on it. I've replaced some of the sills. I've just done loads of work to this job. Anyway, I'm at a point now where I've got it in primer, and I'm now going to prep up that primer ready for paint. So we'll use the Mirka DA and the extraction system. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll have a video coming very soon on this project.